Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Dustin Bowers here with PLAEX Building Systems. I'm in our facility here in Dieppe, and I have some exciting news to share with you. We shared a little while ago that we are now in RONA Moncton, and we're going to be rolling out to more of the RONA stores. Well, this is how we're doing it, one set at a time. We're very excited to be rolling these off. We've got our caps and our Z's, and it is all coming together. It is so exciting. We're on the cusp of absolutely amazing things. We're looking forward to getting new molds in, bigger equipment in, and scaling this up. And this is where there's a huge opportunity for you. Now, we need investors. This is the thing. We have an amazing technology. We're solving housing issues while solving a plastic issue. We're taking that problem of plastic waste and we're turning it into a solution for the housing market. Now, we're initially starting with some landscape products, but our demo home is going to be starting this summer, which is so exciting. We're going to be saving 16% versus traditional building materials on the first demo home. We're expecting to save about a third on building costs at scale. That is huge. We need your help to get to scale. Doing manufacturing requires a lot of big equipment, and that's the big challenge we've had. We need capital to scale things up and start delivering on this truly massive market we have. We have MOUs on just about every continent on this planet right now. People want our technology. We need the right people behind us with the capital to make this happen quickly. So, especially if you're in New Brunswick, go check out the Small Business Investor Tax Credit. You get up to 50% back on your taxes on the investment. Now, that's a sweet deal. Now, this isn't investment advice. This is something that we've found on the government. We've used it. Some of our investors have used it. It is an amazing opportunity. If you want to support locally, especially in today's political and tariff climate, support local. If you're in New Brunswick, check out the Investor Tax Credit. It is a really sweet deal. Now, we've got so much going on, and I wanted to give a huge shout out and thank you to everybody who's supported us this far. It's what an honor to go from a vendor tent beside my house in the driveway to over 4,000 square feet. It's truly phenomenal. Thank you so much for believing in this vision, and it's becoming real. The products are coming off the line. I wanted to dive into it a little bit. We get a lot of questions about what we're doing. Now, some of you all seem to think that our product is just plastic. It is not. We use crushed concrete and other mineralogical aggregates from the construction industry. We combine that with things like boat wrap. Any of y'all who have a boat, you wrap it up for winter to protect it from the ice. We turn that into bricks. Things like silage wrap. If you like beef and dairy, well, you got to feed those cows over the winter. And the way they do that is with silage wrap on the hay. We turn that into bricks. We also take things like all of your food packaging. This has been a big issue, and I do encourage reducing. We're not going to completely eliminate it. Plastic's just too useful. We could take that multi-layer packaging from your frozen food and other single-use plastics. We turn that into bricks. We also work with things like rope from the marine industry. We take fishing gear rope, beach cleanup rope, and we shred that up and we turn it into bricks. There is a wide range of materials that we can use. We're currently also the only recycler in Canada, recycling post-consumer cell phone cases. We turn all of this into our beautiful PLAEX Crete material. This stuff's amazing. The products are great. They're super tough. You can't break them. You can't treat concrete the way you can treat PLAEX material. The future is modular. The future is automated. PLAEX is doing that. It is at our core. But we're also doing that sustainably by taking the plastic crisis that is plaguing our world, ending up in our lakes, rivers, oceans, and bodies, and we're turning that into a solution for the building industry. Locking it away inside walls, no more microplastics, no more effects from this. Put it into the walls, seal it away. It'll last lifetimes. And this is where real innovation lies. I want to say thank you again to everybody. If you're here in New Brunswick, check out the Small Business Investor Tax Credit. It's a real game changer. And to all of you out there, we're coming soon. We're licensing globally. We're just working on the capital part. So if you can help with that, get in touch. We love y'all. Thank you so much for making this vision a reality. There is so much more to come. We cannot wait for what the future holds. It is so exciting. Thank you.